Come on in and check out the Makers Market. Here we have make and take, where you can come in anytime and just make an item. You can bring a group. We have the Denim Dames jackets. You come in. Some wonderful crocheted stuffies. Some more wreaths. Walk around the store here. We got some slumping glass. Got some homemade pins. A doggy and pet station here where we got a lot of different things with different pets on them. Mugs and dogs, collars. Some more of our make and take stuff. And some great 4th of July cups and wreaths. And other cups and wreaths. Some nice stuff here. Over here, some great wind spinners out of wood. We got some bingo bags, some regular bags, some scrunchies, key fobs, some great woodwork here, and keychains, and different things here. Got some more of the Denim Dame stuff. Beautiful items that they have. And we have the great Ella and her little tumblers. Some more of Veronica's mugs. And the lids, some of the lids do come off, so you can use the mug and still have it for decoration. Some of Lori's woodwork here, and then Carol's beach glass and driftwood.
Which is fabulous. You'll have a chance to see that before anyone else and have a little fun with your favorite friends here.
We have some more over here of her beach glass. We still have some of the horsehair ceramic art. We have homemade cards. And we got some cute little things here. So we got our biscotti here. Homemade biscotti and some of the gnomes. You can get your personalized mug here. Also have some diamond art here that you can get. We have some fishing stuff here also. And then my personalization station. All these items I can personalize along with the stuffies here. This is our make and take area. Here's some of the things that you can come and you can make. We got all different little designs here that you can do. Wind chimes. Puzzle balls, and paint with markers or paints. We even have some cute little teacups that you can put together. We have some paper quilling. We got some other items over here. We got Julie and Davis in their great woodworking here out of pallet wood. All different little sayings and stuff in here that they have. And then we have some great ceramics here. The Steelers, some angels, Mary, people feeder, different things here. We have some more over here, plaques that you can do. Got some more gnome stuff here. Some crocheted dishcloths. We still have a couple books left. You have some gift baskets here that you can do. Some chunky blankets. We got some baskets over here. Paper quilling by Alexis is over here. And then the Twisted Paper Creations from Marcia is over here. And she's got some cute little things over here also. And we have some photography up here that you can come and look through. We got some cute little emotional support Pop-Tarts. We got pillows here with the felt, along with her tiles. And we have all kinds of rice bags for heating up or putting in the freezer for your aches and pains. We have Dana's Beans and Trees here. All your Pittsburgh and Butler items are over here too. She's got some great personalized drawings here of the Jeeps and of Pittsburgh. And we got Rosemary, who's got some great stuff in here also. I'm gonna go over here to the jewelry. We got some jewelry made by Beverly. A little bit from Era over here, but over here is her big selection of all her items over here. Lots of different things and soaps over here, bug spray, lotions, and crystals up there. We have our kitty section here. This is the Turner crew. They do these cute little books, and they got some earrings here, some more little books. We got the dotted art by Terry and stuff. Jewelry, we got some resin up there. We have some Lazy Susans in here, some pictures, some cutting boards, centerpieces, some bottle cap earrings, some great alcohol ink pictures. We have some garden things. Now Marcia has done up a garden here, and she's selling all kinds of plants in here now, and gardening pots and stuff also. You like pickleball? We got pickleball stuff. Yep, lots of pickleball stuff. Some more bunnies. Got some beautiful artwork from Carol Sexton, who has done all this. Then we got Kerm's beautiful slabs of wood that you can put on a Singer sewing machine legs, or just have it the slab by itself. We have a bench here. We have another slab there. Another one there. We got this big one that's on a whiskey barrel, and we got some small cutting boards. We got this beautiful one here. And we got diamond art over here. Art dots, or they're magnets or pins that you can do, or put them on a bracelet. We got all different types in here. More of her jewelry, her rings. We got Debbie's Heart to art jewelry here. Beautiful. She's got these little trinket trays, necklaces, hairpins, keychains, some more necklaces, more earrings. And we got Jessica's bowl cozies and more of her rice bags. We got the twinkle noise makers for kids and the taggy ones for kids. We got some more kids things here for out of wood. You can change the clothes out or the hats and different things here. We got some 3D print stuff also here. Cute little bunny, skull, some dragons. Come on in and shop. We're open from 11 to 7 today. You can come sit and relax. We got some AC in here where you can relax and just make some things here. Come on in and join us.